In this video, I will show you how to fix iPhone stuck on Apple logo problem. So let's get started. If your iPhone is stuck on Apple logo like this, then you should force restart your iPhone to fix this problem. First, we will press and release volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold side button until the Apple logo appears. We need to do this quickly to force restart iPhone. So press and release volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold side button. You will get power off option. Just keep pressing side button. A black screen appears, and once Apple logo gets displayed, release the side button. Now just enter your iPhone passcode and you can start using your iPhone again. Force restart is useful when iPhone is frozen, unresponsive, or experiencing software related issues. So force restart should fix the stuck Apple logo problem on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.